ज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी उल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
What a beautiful morning filled with excitement, colors, and smiling faces. Today is not just about games. It's about confidence, teamwork, courage, and fun. Let's officially kickstart sports initiative founded by Miss Nisha Kumari from Hyderabad, a true sports person who has represented at national and university levels. With a strong belief that sports build not just strength but character, confidence, and leadership, Miss Nisha started this fantabulous journey 3 years ago by conducting in-house school sports activities and unforgettable sports day celebrations. What started as a vision has now grown into a passionate team of sports enthusiasts who bring discipline, life, and excitement to every ground they step on. Fun Spotify is not just about games. It is much more than that. It is about teamwork, courage, and it's about celebrating every child's unique potential. Let's cheer loudly and welcome the powerhouse of energy, Fun Spotify. Yeah. For the flame run. The flame symbolizes energy, passion, and the true spirits of sportspersonship. Here comes our torch bearers. Let's cheer loudly as they carry forward the spirit of Little Willie. With this flame, we declare the sports day officially open. Tiana, Kritikesh, Adarva, Akira, Navilan, Praneeth, Ananya. Parents, I hope you enjoyed the march past by our little tiny soldiers. Just now, the flame run got completed. Now we welcome our nursery and junior KG dancing superstars with big cheers. Please clap for our little dancers. Please cheer for our little builders. Come on. Wow, they're doing an awesome job. Wow, give a big round of applause. Wow, how beautifully they are passing through the obstacles. Come on, parents, give a big round of cheers. Wow, they have completed successfully. Truly, teamwork makes the dream work. Wow, they all are so focused. Great, we should learn so many things from this little tiny scientist. Truly, all these are little sportsmen. Finally, we have completed our tower formation. Great job, my dear little athletes. Give a big round of applause.
अकेले
Now we are gonna play our next boat race. Let's cheer for our little rovers as they race.
चंद्रा
Now we have 5 athletes on the track. Wow, please give them a big round of applause. How greatly they are passing through the obstacle, the rowing race. have some eatables. Please do have them if you're feeling very hungry. After eating, come on, cheer for our little athletes.
Diana, Yagneshwar, Ritik Sai, Keertanya, Adiran.
They are ready to go. Come on, parents, please give a big round of applause. Look at them, such a very complicated race. But still, they are giving their best. They deserve truly a big round of applause. I'm amazed by how these tiny athletes are performing, taking part, completing their races. Wow, the second round of boat race is completed successfully. To play the last and final round of boat race.
Adiran, Adivan, Mrityunjay, Himaj Gokul.
They are ready to go for the boat race. Wow! Successfully, the last round of boat race is completed. Please give a big round of applause for all the rowers. Dear parents, now you can see the little sports men and sports women. The PG, they are going to compete in a race. Champions will now collect the cones. Onions.
Kira, Nilan, Ananya, and Mauleshwar.
Wow! Our playgroup sportsmen and women are so fast, so quick. Almost they have completed the race. Collect the cone successfully. Please give a big round of applause. Wow! All have successfully completed the race. Now we are going to play the second round of collect the cones. Parents, come on, be ready to cheer up the little athletes. They are so small. They are PG play group. Look at them, how wonderfully they are playing their games. I'm amazed. I'm spellbound. Wow, how wonderfully they are collecting the cones. So nice. These are the most memorable memories I'm seeing in my life. So cute. These athletes are the cutest athletes I have seen in the whole world. Come on, please give a big round of applause. Successfully they have completed the race. Going to play the last and final round of the race. Collect the cones.
Jayden, Adiran,
Really, it takes huge courage to come to the sports ground and play the races. Truly, PG playground kids are awesome. They're so small, tiny. Look at them, fearless, completely fearless.
Adiran, Mithun Ratinam, Aditya Visaga, and Jayden.
All our athletes have successfully completed the race. Please give a big round of applause. The tiny PG athletes with perseverance. New game. The name of the game is Collect the Balls. Our tiny stars are back again. Let's see how quickly they collect the balls. Oh, how beautifully they are collecting the balls. They are fast. Please give a big round of applause, dear parents. They were so quick also. Wow, amazing. All our athletes have done a great job. They have completed their game. Collect the balls. Please give a big round of applause once again to our athletes. Please cheer up for our little athletes, dear parents. They are get set.
Ayush, Vishruta, Atharva, and Agana, Bhargavram.
To go. How beautifully they are collecting the balls. They have a very good memory power. Really, give a big round of applause. We are not teaching them anything. They are doing it all by themselves. They are the independent athletes. Wow, all have completed the game. Please give a big round of applause. It is so much fun, a great entertainment to watch these athletes compete in the races. Successfully, our athletes have completed the game, the race, collect the balls. Please give a big round of applause. All these athletes are playgroup PG. I'm amazed. Oh, this is the greatest entertainment I'm having in my life. Dance? Come on, let's watch these athletes performing the parachute dance.
It's parachute time, it's parachute time. Play along with me. It's parachute time, it's parachute time. Play along with me.
Oh, it's so much fun. They're having a great time and great fun.
Round, round, walk around, round, round. Round, round, walk around, round, 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 round. It's parachute time, it's parachute time. Play along with me. It's parachute time, it's parachute time. Play along with me. Shake, 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 stop. Wiggle, 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 stop. Shake,
So
shake,
cute,
shake,
look
shake,
at them.
shake, shake, stop. Wiggle, 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 stop. It's parachute time, it's parachute
The
time.
parachute dance performance by our little athletes.
Time, it's parachute time. Play along with me. Lift it up, down, down. Up, down, down. Up, down, down. Up. Go underneath. Woo! This is great. Okay, let's get back out and hold the handle and get ready to go round. We're gonna do it again, all over. It's parachute time, it's parachute time. Play along with me. It's parachute time, it's parachute time. Play along with me. Walk around, round, round. Walk around, round, round. Walk around, round, round, round. Round, round, round. It's parachute time, it's parachute time. Play along with me. Come on. It's parachute time, it's parachute time. Play along with me. Shake, 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 stop. Wiggle, 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 stop. Shake, 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 stop. Wiggle, 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 stop. It's parachute time, it's parachute time. Play along with me. It's parachute time, it's parachute time. Play along with me. Lift it up, down, down. Up, down, down.
Oh, beautifully they are performing.
Up, let it go. Woo! This is great. It's parachute time, it's parachute time. Play along with me. Play along with me. Play along with me.
Please do give a big round of applause. They're just enjoying and performing. We should learn a lot more things from these babies athletes.
So we're going to call everyone. So I want that active participation from every parent because the kids have done.
Champions will run, jump, crawl, and balance through exciting obstacles. Cheer them as they complete the circuit like real athletes. The last final game. Circuit. Complicated one. Please come on, encourage our athletes. Please give a big round of applause. Cheer for our little athletes. Give a big round of applause. They are our true athletes, our own athletes. Please wave your hands, dear parents. Please wave your hands. Oh, the race, the game has started.
Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champion, take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets, our heads are lifted.
Wow, beautifully they are completing the circuit. It shows their fine motor skills and gross motor skills.
Every nation, all around us, singing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me
They are doing a great job. The circuit is really quite complicated and tough one. And how beautifully they are completing the circuit all by themselves.
raise your flag.
You need a huge focus. Please give a big round of applause. I'm amazed by these tiny athletes.
Give you freedom, give you fire, give you reason, take you higher. See the champion, take the field.
Truly, they are the true sportsmen and women.
In the
Rocking, they are the rock stars.
as we lose our inhibition, celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us, singing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. Get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your golden flag. So wave your flag, now 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 wave your flag, wave your flag. And everybody will be singing it. And we all will be singing it.
Come on, parents, please give a big round of applause and cheer these little athletes. The two sportsmen and women rocking. Truly not at all scared. Fearlessly, they are completing the circuit.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fold it up, oh, oh, and if you fold it up, eh, eh. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, cause this is Africa. Tamina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Listen to your dad, this is our motto. Your time to shine, don't wait in line y vamos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Go on, feed them, this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, feel it. You pave the way, believe it. If you get down, get up, oh, oh. When you get down, get up, hey, hey. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Tamina, mina, hey, hey. Waka, waka, hey, hey. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, ah, Tamina, mina, Africa.
Samina, mina, anawa, Samina, mina. Samina, mina,
Samina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, ah, Samina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Jungle, eh, eh, jungle, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, anawa, ah, jungle, eh, eh, jungle, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, anawa,
Our athletes are lovely. How beautifully they are completing the circuit. With so much focus.
this time for
With so much concentration.
We're all Africa. We're all Africa.
put your flags up in the sky. Put them in the sky. And wave
They are not minding the distractions. They are only focused in completing the circuit.
where you from. Show the world we are one.
It shows your willpower. Come on, parents. Please give a big round of applause. Really, I'm amazed by these tiny sportsmen and women. It's a proud moment for me as a teacher and for you being parents for these lovely tiny sportsmen and women.
One fight, whole world, one night, one place, Brazil. Everybody put your flags in the sky and do what you feel. It's your world, my world, our world today. And we invite the whole world to play. It's your world, my world, our world today. And we invite the whole world to play. Es mi mundo, tu mundo, el mundo de nosotros. Invitamos a todo el mundo a put your flags in the sky. And wave side to side, side to side. Show the world where you're from. Show where you're from. Show the world we are one.
One night, watch the world unite. Two sides, one fight, and a million eyes. Full hearts gonna work so hard, shoot all the stars, just raise up towards the sky tonight. Watch the world unite, world unite, world unite. But fight, 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 one night. Watch the world unite. Two sides, one fight, and a million eyes. Hey, 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 for the side, come on, sing with me. Hey, 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 allez, allez, come shout it out with me. Hey, 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 come on now, hey, 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 come on now, hey, 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 hey.
Put some flags up in the sky. Everybody on side to side, side to side. Show the world where you're from, show me you're from. Show the world we are one.
Now you can see the Fiji. The tiny athletes are playing test and cute. Almost we have come to the end.
É meu, é seu, hoje é tudo nosso. Quando eu chamo o mundo inteiro pra jogar é pra mostrar que eu posso. Torcer, chorar, sorrir, gritar. Não importa o resultado, vamos cada.
Everybody on side to side, side to side. Show the world where you're from, show me you're from. Show the world we are one. Essa bola vai rolar, mundo é tapete verde. Quando a bola chega lá, coração fica na rede, na rede, na rede. Olá, olá!
Completing the races, really it's a huge thing. Look at their endurance levels, their energy levels. I'm amazed.
Feel how the planets become one. Protect the drum to this and rhythm. Hear the whistle, kick the ball. The entire world soars like an eagle in the open play. Only today, there's no tomorrow. We fall behind in this space. There's no space for fear or sorrow. Is it true that you want it? Then act like you mean it. With everyone watching, it's truth or dare. Can you feel it? La 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 how dare you?
Parents, I want everyone to clap for that kid. Please. I want every parent to clap. Cheer up for the kid. Please, parents.
How the planets become one like a drum. The scene is calling. German, Colombian, Spanish, and French. Off the bench, you gotta own it. Down here we play like we dance. It's Brazil, now you know it. Is it true that you want it? Then act like you mean it. With how dare you? Is it true? It's true. Or dare can you feel it? Feel it. How dare you? Let go. Let go.
Essa bola vai rolar.
freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets, our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Sing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get
Dear parents, almost we have come to the end of the last James Circuit.
I will be stronger, they'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag. Oh, 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 oh. Give you freedom, give you fire, give you reason, take you higher. See the champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets, our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Sing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. Get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now 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 wave your flag, wave your flag.
Dear parents, the last James Circuit is over. Wow, our athletes did a wonderful job. Truly, it's such a big, very complicated obstacle course.
When I get older, I will be stronger.
Jump,
Wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag.
They ran, jumped, crawled, balanced, and conquered the circuit with smiles and confidence. Now, to make this moment even more special, we warmly invite our dear parents to come down to the arena and join us for the medal distribution. Parents, your cheers and presence makes every victory brighter. Please come forward. scenes. Today, we would like to take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate a very special person. Someone who may not be always be on the stage, but whose guidance is present in every classroom, every activity, and every growing mind. Mrs. Goviratna Madam is the Regional Academic Manager of Little Ville, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Please give a big round of applause to our Madam Goviratna. She is the driving force behind the academic excellence of our school. She has personally trained our teachers, guided them with care, and ensured that our curriculum is thoughtfully designed to suit the brilliant, curious mind of our little champions. She is the quiet strength, invisibly shaping your children's future, nurturing them with knowledge, values, and confidence. Despite holding such an important role, she is known for her humility and warmth. Always approachable, always welcoming, and always available to support teachers to training, guidance, and clarifying doubts. We are truly grateful for her constant presence, dedication, and passion for early childhood education. Let's give a heartfelt round of applause to this inspiring guiding light of Little Willie. With the kid, please do come and collect the medals. Thank you.
Parents clap. The one who was standing with the kids also, I want you to clap.
Next, Raga Akira. Mithun Rathinam. Next, Ayush.
parents. After this event, we have a parents game, and also we would be having a feedback corner there. So I want your reviews at the end. Please, parents.
Milan team Manoj Kumar.
Dear parents, now I would like to call nursery and junior KG parents to get ready to collect their medals. Nursery and junior KG parents, please do come forward to collect your medals. Thank you.
Akhilesh. Next, Ritik Sai.
Next, Pranit Keller. Pranit.
Attention, dear parents. Attention. Can I have your attention? It's really an immense pleasure for me to meet all our dear parents on one more wonderful occasion of K. Lotsav Little Ville, Kodambakam. This is the second time I'm attending the event. Such a flawless and fabulous teamwork and the sportsmanship that I have discovered from the children today. If you have discovered the same sportsmanship from the children, can I hear a big round of applause for them from your end? ஒரு ஓ போடலாமா? எல்லாம் கம்ஃபர்டபிளா ஓ போடுறதுக்கு பசங்களுக்கு. ரெடி? 1 2 3. So I really, enjoyed each and every child, the work that they were doing, the waiting for their, turn. And it's not about winning or losing. It is all about making perfections. That's what the learning that I am taking from the children today. Hope you are also witness the same. On the same moment, I would like to congratulate Team Sportify for their wonderful effort and training our children in a great way. Congratulations and kudos to you all from Misha to the team. And also, I would like to take a great time to congratulate the center head, Mrs. Jyoti, and her fabulous team for doing such a tremendous sports day today. Looking forward for the same cheer for the furthermore events also, madam. And with this moment, I would like to thank for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Now, I request our dear parents, I would like to hear from your end what actually has been your feeling when children have been performing for 2.5 hours without your presence. Can I hear from you all? This actually motivates us. We would like to hear from our dear parents. Can I have our dear parents to come forward to share? Oh yes, our parent is ready. Madam, please.
Yeah, the sportsmanship was very good and everyone was doing very well. Uh, every children's was so enjoyable and different games are approached well and really so good for parents to see everyone doing well and approachable. He is V. Adiran, studying pre-KG. KG.
Thank you so much, Adiran's mom. That's lovely to hear from you. It's a great boost for us
So
too.
much
Thank
good
you.
For,
Fun Spotify. Fun Spotify. Thank you, Fun Spotify. That's a great, milestone for us too. Yes. So now,
I am,
one more parent, ma'am. I would like to know your child name.
Hi, I'm Atharva's mom.
Acharua's mom.
So this was really wonderful. I mean, we know that they've been practicing for the last, I think, 2-3 weeks. But the way they've presented and the ease with which they did shows how much they've actually practiced and the effort put in by the teachers. It's wonderful, wonderful to see. And they've enjoyed also. It's not like any of the child was complaining. So it was very good. And not only this event, what I've noticed is in Littleville, for every even small or chinna special day varandalum, the amount of efforts the teachers put in, it's great. So I think that's why the kids enjoy and they feel at home.
Thank you so much. That's fabulous to hear from you. That makes my all day good. Thank you so much. We would like to hear from more parents. Volunteer, madam.
நீங்க எல்லாரும் ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டீங்க, நல்லா பண்ணீங்க, பசங்களை ஒத்துரும் விடல, எல்லாமே நல்லா இருந்தது. வருண் மிதுன் ரத்தினம் சூப்பரா பண்ணீங்க எல்லாரும். இவ்வளோ இதுவா பசங்களை இது பண்ணீங்க, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
Thank you so much. இதை விட ஒரு பெரிய பொக்கிஷம் and blessing எங்களுக்கு வேற என்ன இருக்குன்னு எங்களுக்கு தெரியல. Thank you so much, Amma. Thank you so much. And yeah, madam.
Event was really good, ma'am, because the students also enjoyed, really, the parents, we also, they enjoy the event. The students are, without hesitation, they have done so much of activities. We really enjoyed, ma'am. Thank you.
That's so sweet to hear from you, ma'am. Thank you so much. On this note of occasion, I would like to extend my sincere thanks and for the patience of the parents who was really waiting up there and watching your children. One more parent here.
Hi,
Thank you, sir.
We are Dhruji's parents. Actually, firstly, congratulations to entire team. It's not easy to conduct such event, and you have done it with ease and with all the safety. And we are very happy. She is very young, but whatever care from all your staff, it was great coordination among yourself, and truly we would like to extend thanks from our side. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. That's great and beautiful to hear from you.
Parents, we have our team here. We want their feedback so that we can improve what best.
Hello all, I'm Akira's mom. First of all, it's really commendable because we are managing one kid at a time, and this team is managing so many kids at a single time. That's really great. Nibbon. Okay. Thank you for the entire team for making so much effort and being so patient with them. And it's really appreciable because every kid has participated. None of them has cried and left it halfway. Every single kid has finished. And attention to detail is also great. So thank you for the entire team and have a good day.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That's so beautiful to receive from your end. Do I have any other parents to join with us for the feedback? Yeah, that's really good. But yeah, nothing is less. We are not left out without your game for the day. Parents, are you all ready? Yes, yes. So one last game with all the parents. Now your kids have showed the sportsmanship.
Mothers now. Let me call all the beautiful ladies. Okay. Fathers, are you ready? Fathers, are you ready? Okay. On your mark. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, very good, parents. Very good. Go! Boom! Very good! Yeah! That's a wonderful one! High five! Hi! Thank you! Go! No cheating! 10 is 10! See, this is what happens. The kids learn from you. Yeah, claps! Ladies, please, claps! Very good, very good! That's fine, that's fine. Nice, very good, very good! You should complete it! Complete your plan! Oh! Grandfathers, brothers, everyone.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, dear parents. You made the sports day a successful event. Thank you so much.